Welcome to IT Career in Australia YouTube channel. If you're looking to take the next step in your IT career or maybe break into the tech industry from non-technical background, and perhaps you're seeking to hire top tech talent for your company. If so, you come to the right place. I'm Jana Martins and I moved into IT industry from non-technical background and currently working as a head of talent in IT consultancy. On this channel, I run weekly live interviews with diverse range of experts from the tech industry, and they are sharing their personal stories, career transitions, wins and challenges, and wealth of professional experience. You will learn how to search for your next tech job, successfully transition different roles, hire the right people for your tech team, and also cultivate an exceptional work culture. I firmly believe that navigating your IT career becomes much easier when you have strong network supporting you. So this channel is not just about providing knowledge, but also about connecting you with amazing people in the industry and building valuable connections. So join us live every week, ask your questions, receive immediate answers, and connect with people in the industry. So if you're with me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, join our upcoming conversations, and catch up on the replays. And of course, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. Together, let's take your IT career to new heights.